It's a beautiful day, and I hope everyone is doing well and excited as the festive mood is at its peak. I'm super excited to share the free pattern of this very easy to make adorable little wreaths with you today. We will need circles of some sort. For the smaller ones, I use the bottle cap rings, and the bigger circles are old baby's bangle that I had lying in my house. Also, we will need a 4.5mm crochet hook, needle, a wide eye needle to sew in later on, and a scissor to cut the yarn. I'll be using a smaller circle for this video tutorial. To begin, we are going to make a slip knot. Make a slip knot right there. And we're gonna pull it out through the loop. Chain 1. It's secure, and we will chain up 2 more. Chain 3 counts as double crochet. With the ring as the base, put double crochet all around it. Now we don't need to count how much double crochet to be put into the ring. However, we don't want to put too much or too less that the ring is visible, but just enough to give a smooth double crochet circle. Continue to double crochet all around, and I will meet you at the end of the round. After the completion of the round, just slip stitch it onto the third chain of the starting chain 3. Chain 1 to secure it, and just cut the yarn. For the next round, we will change our yarn to white color. You can just join it, but I like to make a slip knot so that it doesn't come off. It's more secure. Insert your hook into the chain from where you had just finished off the green yarn. Chain 1. This had just secured the stitch. Chain up 1 again to this chain 1 will be counted as 1 single crochet. Put another single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 2 and put 2 more single crochet into the same stitch. Take the wrangler along so that you don't have to weave in the ends later on. Now we will skip 1 stitch, this one, go into the next stitch and repeat the same. 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, 2 single crochet into the same stitch, and we will do this all around. To finish the round, just slip stitch it into the base of the second round. Chain 1 to secure it. Leave a long tail and cut off the yarn. For the hanging loop, take the yarn to the wrong side of the wreath. Find a length and secure it. Also hide the extra tail. You may make the loop with chains if you don't want a single strand of yarn for it. Now for these red pages, we will be working on the green or on the first round. We take the red yarn from the wrong side of the work, pass the needle through some stitches, and out to the right side. Do not pull the yarn all through, as we will need to tie off at the end later. Now, take a small stitch, wrap the working yarn 4 times, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold it with your thumb and pull through. You can wrap it around 5 to 6 times if you want it to be bigger. This is used a lot in embroidery and it is known as the French knot. Now pass the yarn through, some stitch again, and come off in the front. Do the French knot again. The distance between 2 knots doesn't have to be perfectly equal, so I didn't make any stitch count. Do the French knot, pass it through, come off front, repeat the French knot, and do this all around. So continue to put the French knot at an interval, a distance of your choice, and I will meet you when you are done. Now at the end of the round, pass the yarn back to the wrong side of the work, tie off, with 2 strands of yarn that is left on the needle, make a cute little bow. Hide all the extra tails. And we are done! So this is it for our cute little wreaths. I hope you find joy making this and helps brighten up your Christmas tree or other decorations. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. God bless you all.